Okay, so let's start off with the easiest one, basically, your opening price point Rockwell Rookie. So this is a single setting razor, not adjustable. And basically what you do is you just hold the razor, you twist the base, and it opens the bay doors. This is known as a butterfly mechanic, so you can just do that. Now, the 20 pack of blades for Rockwell includes four, I should say, of these 5 packs. So inside are 4 of these 5 packs. Typically a blade lasts, about a week, 5 to 10 days. So it says right here it's 100 days worth of shaving. So when you take the blade, you'll notice each of the blades are individually wrapped with both an outer beautiful paper wrap and then the sort of wax paper. When you're handling it, the key recommendation is always handle the blade from kind of the sides, okay? Like that's the sharp end of the blade, so don't hold it there. What you do is you just take it, you drop it in, you twist it closed, and you're good to go. Nice and simple. So that's how you load it into the Rookie. Now, let's talk about how you load the blade into the next razor. The next razor is the Rockwell 6 series, the 2 Series 6 series, and this includes the 2C, the 6C, and the 6S, all same design. It's a 3-piece safety razor design, and so in this particular case, what you do is you take the cap. So you basically take your cap, you take your razor blade, again, you always hold it on the side, okay, and you just drop the blade into the cap. Next, what you do is you load the plates. Now, because the Rockwell plates are flippable, you want to make sure you load it so that the number you see is the size setting you want to get. So if you're a new shaver, you would shave at a size 1. If you're more comfortable, you might be shaving at a size 3. When you put it down, you basically just screw together the razor nice and tight, and that's it. You've loaded your blade into the razor. And then the final one that you're going to be looking at is the Rockwell Model T. And so in this particular design, you're getting, again, the advantages of the twist to open mechanism. So you just twist open the mechanism, really nice and simple. Boom, just drop in your blade, close the bay doors, okay, until it locks. And in this case, because it is a fluidly adjustable system, you simply dial the adjust knob to the setting you want to shave. As we covered in other videos, for the adjustable Rockwell systems, and we do always recommend the adjustable Rockwell systems, is that you start off with the size 1, that's the mildest size, and you move up to the point where you're getting the most comfortable shave. So you start low and you move up. Okay, so I have my razor, it's set to the R1 setting, okay? And so the concept basically is I'm just gonna basically let the weight of the razor do the work. Don't push hard against the skin. Just let the razor basically do the work, okay? Obviously with the shave cream, etc. The second thing is you wanna go in kind of like these little short strokes, okay? You don't wanna go like super long all the way around. You wanna go kind of like in this just regular sort of strokes, okay? And the third is the angle. You're gonna kind of see the angle itself and you'll sort of feel it in your hand, about 30 degrees, but if you're not on there, the blade is not going to bite and take off the hair, so it's going to be obvious to you what the right setting is, okay? That's really it. When you finish and you're ready to dispose of the blades, you have a safe place to be able to keep them. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in carrying any of these products in your retail shop, please contact us at permabrands.com, or if you're a barber or barbershop, at barbersupplies.com.